I teach utmost simplicity on my channel, as throughout my trading career I have made many mistakes overcomplicating trading, and through all of this experience I have landed myself here on this one incredibly simple swing trading strategy that makes me lots of money as a teenager with school full time. So we are here on my backtesting software so I can give you an accurate demonstration on how I trade, and to make everything fair to show you this strategy I will be going back at a random period of time this year, so I don't know any price action, so I can show you exactly how I trade this realistically. So let's go over to a random number generator and let's choose one of the months, so between the 1st and the 12th month. 4th month, which is March, I believe. January, February, March, April. And we will pick a day during April, and it is the 8th. So we're picking the 8th of April. Here we are on the chart. It is the Nasdaq. It is the 8th of April, as our random number generator has given us, and I will show you how to trade this strategy. So the very first thing we need to do on this strategy is head over to the daily time frame, and we will find a daily bias. If we look at our price action on the Nasdaq, what do we think is going to happen? Well, if we scroll out, we see price was in a big uptrend, and now price has formed this downtrend with this trend line, but we have just recently broken this trend line for a bullish trend. So now we know that because it had a bearish trend, we're now looking for a bullish trend. So maybe we think that price is going to continue this bullish trend. So we zoom closer in here, and if we try and draw some support and resistance zones where price currently is, so price currently is at this level here, so around this area, what do we think has happened? So we see a very clear resistance zone. It was retested twice and 3 times in this zone, and we see if we draw that across, it was retested as resistance here again for a 4th time. When price broke out of it, came back down to retest it as a break and retest as support, and now price is bouncing off. So what we can deduce from this very simple analysis is price broke and retest over this resistance level, forming a break and retest, which is pointing bullish. So our bias is buys. So the next step is to jump down to the 4-hour chart, and all we're looking for here is to make sure that price action is following in the direction of our bias. So our bias is bullish. Do we think, looking at this price action, that price is going to go up? Well, not only do we have this same break and retest, but we also have this nice bullish trend here as well, confirming that price is also looking to go up. We formed a new higher low from this low, and we formed a new higher high. So we are in a very clear bullish trend, which is exactly what our daily showed us, which is good. Now, our last time frame is we are going to jump down to the 1-hour time frame. And all we're making sure is that this time frame aligns with our bias. So does this time frame align with our bullish bias? Well, we had a bearish trend here, but price did break out of this trend line and form a new bullish trend, and we are making bullish trend price action. We're in a bullish trend. Price did create a lower high here, but overall we are pointing to the bullish direction. So now we see our price action has showed us that we're all going into uptrend. All 3 of our time frames up here align with each other. We only take trades when everything aligns. If one of these time frames disagreed with the bias, we would not trade, okay? You only want to follow trades when everything aligns. So now we know that everything aligns. Let's have a closer look into this chart. We are going to be entering this strategy on the 1-hour chart, as usually I can hold trades for a day, 2 days, 3 days, and be out of them in a few days, which is very nice because you don't really want to be holding trades for weeks. I prefer to hold trades for a few days. On the 1-hour chart, I want you to identify where price is right now, and all I want you to do for this strategy is to draw a support level below price and a resistance level above price. Just one. Don't need 5. You don't need to be making your charts look all like this. You don't need to be doing some hyper technical oak tree supply and demand, liquidity, order flow, fair value gap, smart money, market manipulating concepts with some beef strips, tenderloin, long position, short position at the same time, order block market manipulation strategy. No, none of that. All you need to do is draw a resistance level above price and a support level below price. So where do we find these? Well, we see a very clear resistance level up here formed by this top and this top, where price has kind of formed a roof that can't go above, and we've formed a nice support and resistance area here, as price has retested this area as resistance, broke above it, came back to retest it as support, and now is bouncing up. So we have a support level and a resistance level. Now all we're going to wait for to happen is a price action to come to our resistance level, and we're going to sell, or price come to our support level and we are going to buy. It is that simple. To be profitable, you don't need to be having these hyper technical 2 pip stop loss strategies targeting a 1 to 469 risk to reward ratio. You're going to have a 50% win rate no matter what strategy you trade, because the market either moves up or it moves down. There is a 50% chance you're going to be right and a 50% chance you're going to be wrong, no matter what strategy you trade, because price has a 50% chance of going up or 50% chance of going down. No matter what, you are not predicting the market with your strategies. You aren't tapping into the underground market maker strategy with a black market strategy. No, you're gonna be right 50% of the time. So the trick is, to be a profitable trader, is you need to make your winners a little bit bigger than your losers, and that is how you become a profitable trader. So now we've done our very, very simple analysis. Let's play price. So price is moving, and we go down to our support level. So what we're going to do at our support level, we're going to go long. We're going to buy at our support level. And we are just going to put our stop loss at an area where we think if price gets to, our trade is no longer valid. The easy thing with support and resistance is it's always either below the support level or above the resistance level. We will place our stop loss at a nice area just below the support level, and we will place our take profit at the resistance level. Let's enter our trade. We will risk a lovely 1% of our account, which is $100, and we are in our long position. So let's play price and see what happens. So price bounces at our support area. Will it reach our take profit? It hits this mini resistance level. Let's speed this up. And comes back down, retests, consolidates. We speed this up. And what happens? Price comes back up and eventually should still consolidates. Price is still going if we play it on. And there we go. Take profit has been hit. We exited because we think price is going to go down now. So why don't we go for a short position at this resistance level? Because we just exited a long, so now we should be going for short. So once again, stop loss just above the resistance level, and our take profit will be at the support level. So we enter, risk 1% of our account again, and we place the trade. Let's see what happens. Well, immediately price decides to go into profit. Let's see if this continues, or if price reverses on us. Price retraces, hits our support level. Will it go a bit deeper, hit our take profit? And very close there, and there we go. Price hits our support area. So what you've just seen is 2 very nice and easy trades that we just took by buying at a support level and selling at a resistance level. And it is that simple. I won 2 trades in a row here, which means I will most likely lose my next 2 trades, because you have a 50% win rate. I make money with a 50% win rate, because price can either at a support level, it can either bounce in my favor, 50% chance, and hit my take profit, or 50% chance it stops me out. Here at my resistance level, price can bounce up and hit stop me out for a 50% chance, or price can hit my take profit for a 50% chance. It is that simple. There's no magic formula. All you need to know to be profitable is to make your winners a little bit bigger than your losers. You see here a 1 to 3 and here a 1 to 5. My take profit is a little bit bigger than my stop loss, which is how I can be profitable. And going from a random date with a random number generator, it is that simple. So I hope you guys have learned a lot from this video. I preach utmost simplicity in my trading on this channel. I don't want to be trading all the whole day with these really complicated, really high complex multi-time frame analysis, 50 time frames, 2 pip stop losses. It's not necessary. As long as you keep it simple and manage risk. I post my weekly analysis over onto my Discord server. If I bring it up on my Discord server, setups, predictions, or every week I place big predictions. I post all of the trades that I make on this Discord server, the Traders Ralph Tribe. I will link that in the description. It has just over 150 members and growing. But if you would like to see my market predictions, what I provide proof just a while ago. You see how 2 of these trades played out. I made a prediction on GBP USD that price is going to go up. What happened? Price did go up and hit our take profit like so. Easy trade, about a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Easy money. So if you would like to see the setups that I trade, this is one I posted yesterday just for this week. Like so, my market predictions, just a bit of writing. Join my Discord in the description. But yeah, other than that, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.